Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can enable Bluetooth on Windows 7. So let's get started. If your Windows 7 computer is not showing the Bluetooth option, there are a couple of methods you can try to restore Bluetooth functionality. For the first method, open Device Manager on your computer. Once Device Manager opens, expand the Network Adapters section. After that, click on the Action menu at the top and select Add Legacy Hardware. When the hardware installation wizard appears, continue through the setup and choose Network Adapters from the list of hardware types. On the next screen, select Microsoft from the manufacturer list. Then look through the available network adapters and choose the Bluetooth option that appears in the list. Complete the installation process and restart your computer if required. After the restart, check whether the Bluetooth option is now available. If the first method does not work, you can try another approach. Open the C drive and navigate to the Windows folder. From there, open the System32 folder. In the search box, type FSQUIRT and locate the Bluetooth file transfer application. Once you find it, right-click on it and create a shortcut on your desktop. This tool allows you to send and receive files through Bluetooth more easily. If your computer supports Bluetooth and the required drivers are installed, you can use this shortcut whenever you need to transfer files wirelessly between devices. Keep in mind that some computers may require the correct Bluetooth drivers from the manufacturer before Bluetooth can function properly. If Bluetooth is still missing after trying these methods, consider checking your laptop or motherboard manufacturer's website for the latest Bluetooth drivers. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.